Hi guys and welcome to today's video. Today I am filming kind of like a shop my wardrobe video, just kind of highlighting a few bits that I am planning to wear over the next couple of months from my wardrobe. I am wearing this new like jumpsuit. It's culottes, you cannot tell. Ugh. It's culottes. However, I'm actually not sure it suits me because I don't like this neckline. It seems a bit off. I'm a bit unsure about it, but it is from ASOS, and even like I'm basically a bit unsure about it. But I wanted to share with you kind of a few bits from my wardrobe that I'm really excited to wear, and also kind of talk about what I think I'm going to be adding to my wardrobe for the next season. A few bits here are a little bit newer, but largely they're bits I've had for a long time, at least 6 months to, I don't know, what's the oldest thing I've got here? Maybe to like a couple of years. I'm going to insert pictures rather than try them on, I think, just because all these items I have worn, most of these items I've worn, so it's just easy if I insert pictures. I hope that's okay. I can kind of insert pictures of different outfits rather than just like one of me trying it on. But let's get started. I guess down here, I will say actually that this is the bits I've pulled out, but I really am hoping to add a lot more colour into my wardrobe over the next couple of months. And actually I've got an ASOS haul coming up and that's got a little bit more colour, but I just don't have that much colour in my wardrobe at the moment, so pulling out colourful stuff is really very difficult. I don't even have like colourful basic t-shirts. I just have white basic t-shirts, which actually, and a black one. That's as like out there as it gets. This is just from M&S. I just thought it was pretty. It's linen. I don't know, I can picture this with like some nice blue jeans or even a blue pair of shorts. That said, I didn't wear this last summer, which kind of surprises me, but I do think it's very pretty and I do think it's something I'm going to wear. And I will try and link kind of similar stuff down below where possible. We'll then go on to cardigans. I love cardigans at the moment. I think cardigans are really very popular at the moment. If you have no cardigans in your wardrobe, I'd highly recommend purchasing one. There's one on ASOS that I've spotted and is really, really beautiful. It's a bit different to these ones, but typically I kind of buy fluffy, apparently, shorter cropped cardigans. I mean, that's what makes them shorter. I also have a white one, but I didn't pull the white one out because I feel like I've pulled out the black one, which is uninspiring enough. This is just from Quiz. I wear mine quite a lot. Really very simple, but I just find it very versatile. Sometimes I wear it just with jeans, I wear it with skirts, I wear it with trousers, I wear it by itself, I wear it open, I wear it closed, I wear it with a t-shirt underneath and not with a t-shirt underneath. I just think it's very versatile and a real great staple. The reason I like shorter ones is because I carry my weight around my hips. You can probably tell. Can you tell? Therefore, having one that's a little bit more cropped means it highlights the smaller part rather than highlighting my hips, which is great. I also have these two cardigans. This one is from Misguided and it's this beautiful lilac colour. I really, really love this one. Although I feel like sometimes this colour doesn't suit me. And then I also have this pink one, and this pink one, I feel like it's a little bit more wintry just because it has a higher neckline. But it does come with a really cute little crop top underneath. And I just love this and I'm really looking forward to wearing it. I think this might even be something that I take on holiday with me. I'm really hoping to go to Portugal in August. And I think actually this would look really cute with like the crop top with some shorts and then just with the cardigan on top. I think that's really, really sweet. But that's kind of going more into summer. For spring, it's kind of just wearing these with jeans, I guess. Another pretty top, which honestly I really am looking forward to wearing, but I found really hard to wear last year, is this one from ASOS. I bought this in a 10. If you are kind of bigger busted, but if you have a similar body shape to me, basically, I find that you can get these sort of tops and dresses in a smaller size. So this is a 10 because this part is stretchy anyway, and often that's kind of what makes you the size you are if you have a bigger bust. I don't know if that makes much sense, but from my experience, getting a smaller size always works if they have this sort of top. But I have to say that this one I found a little bit hard to wear. I'm not sure why. I feel like maybe this colour, because it's kind of like this weird off-white colour, didn't really go with my blue jeans, but it's definitely one I'm gonna try to kind of incorporate again into my wardrobe this spring. Leopard skirts. I have got this black leopard skirt on the back, but really these two are my favourites. I wear these. This one I wear only in spring and summer, but this one I wear in autumn and winter as well. I love them. I'm really looking forward to wearing them again. Like I said, I often wear this cardigan with this sort of skirt, and I just love it. I find it very versatile. If you don't have a slip skirt like this, I'd highly recommend you get one. I just find them very versatile. I find leopard is great all year round, and I am kind of trying to get other prints into my wardrobe, but I mean, Leopard is a great print. I would highly recommend this skirt. Or something similar, because I'm not sure that one is available. That one is from ASOS though. And then I have two tops. One I kind of wore recently and I feel like you can tell. First one is this one. It's from New Look. Is it from New Look? No, it's not. It's from ASOS. Really nothing fancy, but I just think these are great to go under blazers in particular. Blazers can kind of look a bit formal, obviously, so adding something very casual like this sort of t-shirt underneath is really, really cool in my opinion. They would look great with like denim shorts, but I do feel like in the UK we're a while off denim shorts, unfortunately. But denim trousers, jeans, this top looks great. I actually bought this last year to wear with cycling shorts, and that's definitely something you can do. But I recently picked up this one, which is like, I absolutely love this. I got this one off ASOS, but it's skinny dip. Got this one in a medium, and it says welcome to the real world. And then obviously I bought it because I really like this back. I really like this top because it is pretty much plain black, but it has a real bright kind of tiny pop of colour just here. This is very neon. I don't think you can tell really over the video, but it is. And then I love this back. So even if I wanted to put this, for example, with a blazer, I definitely could, because you wouldn't be able to see this part on the back. With like a pair of jeans, or again, a pair of denim shorts, or even like a skirt, I think this is really, really cool. And the back really sold it for me. I also think this top will be one of those tops that kind of looks better with age. I like it being solid black, but I think in 5 years time where it is a bit more worn, I think I'll still love this just as much. Fingers crossed. I mean, it is quite bright, but I really do think so. I really do like this. As I mentioned, I really am looking forward to wearing more blazers. I have kind of missed blazers a liters a little bit. For a while I didn't wear blazers because I thought they made me look a bit smart. Again, I think if you have a bigger bust, I don't know, I feel like there's something about blazers that can be a bit too formal, but I'm not quite sure how that correlates to bigger busts, but I feel like it does. Correct me if I'm wrong. I feel like because that kind of adds shape to something that you want quite large anyway, so I think it's quite tricky. I have got 3 that I pulled out, but I feel like this one's a bit wintry now, but I do like it. And over the next couple of weeks, it's still quite cold in London, so I probably will be wearing this one. But I have these 2 H&M ones. H&M for me is the best place to get blazers. I really, really like this. This is like my holy grail blazer. I got this one in a 10 because it's just so oversized that this size really works for me. I wear this loads. Again, I wear this. Have I worn this? I think I may have even worn this with like the leopard skirt. I just love this blazer, and I think it's really worth kind of looking for a really well made blazer, and this is that. This only cost me £35, but I just think it is a stunning blazer. And then I also picked up from H&M last year. This one I don't think is as nice. It's a little bit bigger. This is a small, but this is a very oversized blazer, and it's a little bit lighter, but I do think in spring and summer it's kind of nice to have a lighter one. This one, especially going into summer, will be a bit too warm, so one like this is great. Again, you could wear this with like cycling shorts and trainers, or you can just wear it with like jeans, and it's kind of like a relaxed cash kind of vibe. Like I said, I'm trying to add other colours to my wardrobe, and I think these will kind of go with the other bits that I'm hoping to add in. For example, this with like a pistachio top underneath would be really cool. I don't know. I'm really looking forward to like having a play with my wardrobe over the next couple of weeks. If there's one thing I'm really missing during lockdown, we kind of come out of lockdown in like a couple of like 3-4 weeks, but I'm really missing charity shops. This is an item I picked up from a charity shop a little while ago, and it's a Marks & Spencer's blazer. Honestly, if I were to buy this now, I would look for one that's a little bit longer. This one is a kind of knee-length blazer, and I feel like it's kind of cooler to have a longer one, but I've got this in my wardrobe, so I'm not sure I'm going to be buying any other blazers because I feel like it might be a bit of a waste if I do. But I'm definitely going to be wearing this. It's like a checked print, really kind of like a medium thickness, so medium warm. A great spring jacket, I guess. I also have a pink trench, which I'm sure I'll be wearing loads, but for some reason I didn't pull out. Another charity shop purchase is this dress. Sleeves are tucked in, that's a great start. This one is from Faithful the brand. This one is a large. I probably would have got medium because it is a little bit big on me, but it's just beautiful. It was really quite affordable compared to their usual dresses, but really looking forward to wearing this. I love midi dresses. If you live in a city and you want to wear dresses and you're not very comfortable in short dresses, like I'm not, like I wouldn't wear a very short dress in London. I would just think it attracts unwanted attention. I'm not going to go into that, but the truth is, like, I don't wear very short stuff in London. Even not in London, like I don't typically wear mini dresses or anything like that, but especially in London I like a slightly longer dress, and this one is great. It's really beautiful, and I'm really looking forward to wearing this. Also, this is very much items that I have in my wardrobe now. My summer wardrobe is completely put away, so if you do like this video, once my summer wardrobe comes out I can do this again for summer, but I'm really trying to keep it quite spring and like stuff I would wear maybe over the next 3-4 months in London. Then I have this dress, which I don't even know where it's from, but I really like. It's leopard print, it's red, finally a bit of colour. It's midi, it's long sleeved, really great to just wear with like a leather jacket on top when it's but not that warm, but you know. And then this is my favorite dress, and honestly I don't even think it looks that nice, but it's so comfortable. It's from Matalan or Peacocks, whoever does Papaya, it's from there. It's also got like a small floral print, and I think small floral prints are really very popular this year. Midi, I would probably wear this with a denim jacket on top, or even like a cardigan, or even a crop jumper. Trainers or sandals I guess, but really excited to wear this. And then I will quickly touch on shoes. I do think that my summer, like spring shoe collection really needs to be worked on, because it's either trainers or sandals, and I would like something else like in between. These I'm gonna just hold really quickly. They are filthy, they really need a wash, but these are my Adidas Falcon trainers. I think that's what they're called. I love them. I would highly recommend them. I need to wash mine or get them washed. I'm not sure what I'm doing with them. I went off Converse for a while, but I'm really looking forward to wearing them this year. I might have seen better days, but I don't really mind that with Converse. As long as there's like no holes around the rubber, I'm totally cool with that. I also really want a pair of high top black Converse. That's like top of my wish list. I know I said I'm looking to add colour, but I feel like, especially with like trainers and kind of expensive shoes, like Converse now cost, the ones I want are like £65. That's a little bit pricey, so I do kind of want to play it a bit safer and get a neutral colour, but they're like top of my wish list. They're just always sold out on ASOS because I want a very specific pair of black ones. But yeah, really looking forward to wearing Converse. And then something which I think might be a bit more summery than spring is sandals, but the two pairs of sandals I'm really looking forward to wearing are my Birkenstocks. I think I may order a pair of all black Birkenstocks, because I saw someone in East London wearing like tailored trousers with black socks and black Birkenstocks, and she just looked incredible. I really liked that vibe, so I'm tempted to get them. But Birkenstocks are just great. I think they're really cool, they're really easy, and they're very comfortable, and yeah, I just love them. I highly recommend. And then kind of equally Tevas. I didn't buy these. I probably wouldn't have bought these with the white sole, and I've had them for a really, really long time, but I feel like they're very current now, so I'm really glad I've got them. I wear these a lot in summer to walk in, so if I'm going on like a little hike, then these are great. If you're going somewhere that's watery, like on holiday, so if you're going, I don't know, on a river walk, if you're going near a river that's kind of pebbly but you want to get in, these are great because they can be wet. I don't find them slippery or anything like that, and they've been on some honestly great adventures with me. Even these have been on some great adventures with me, but they have no back to them, so they're not ideal, but these are, and I'm really looking forward to wearing them even in London. I understand they're a little bit man repellent, but I love them. And then finally, something that is a little bit newer to me. I bought it like 2 weeks ago, but I'm so excited about, and it is currently in my wardrobe, is this little bag from Accessorize, which I bought via ASOS. This actually cost me under £10 because it was on the sale. Initially it was £40. I just think it's adorable. I'm just gonna wear it with everything, even with like this outfit. Like, I know it's so much gingham, but I really like the clash of like the black gingham with the pink gingham, and honestly I cannot wait to wear it. I'm very, very excited about this. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I kind of was looking for a bit of an alternative to a haul. I have got hauls coming up, but I wanted to kind of talk you through clothes without necessarily showing you new things. Like, it's definitely great to go through your wardrobe and pick out bits that you're looking forward to wearing and blend them with any new products you're buying, because sustainability and stuff. But thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.